Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Tap on Allow in Notifications 1. And tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!